Good afternoon. It's time for Reader's Workshop. Before we get started, I want to get our wiggles out because we're going to be sitting for a couple minutes. Okay? Clap, clap, clap your hands together. Clap, clap, clap your hands together. Clap a little harder now, clap along with me. Clap a little softer now, clap along with me. Shake, shake, shake your body together. Shake, shake, shake your body together. Shake a little harder now, shake along with me. Shake a little softer now, shake along with me. Do you feel ready to listen to a story? Here's what I want you to do. Go grab a stuffed animal or something cozy that you will be comfortable reading with. Find a nice spot and get ready to listen to a story about feelings. Okay, go grab your stuff now. I'll wait. Great. Ready? Boys and girls, today I want to teach you to look for emotions when you read. Did you know that characters in a story share how they feel with us? And we can notice how they feel by looking at their face. Did you know that there's more feelings than just happy or sad? When you see somebody's face, you can think about how they feel. Today, I want to challenge you while we're reading this story to think about how the character feels by looking at their face and by looking at what they're doing. All right, you ready? This book is called The Way I Feel. We can already tell on the cover that this little child, I'm not sure if it's a little boy or a little girl, is feeling maybe a little goofy, right? She's hanging upside down. That's silly. Silly is the way I feel when I make a funny face and wear a goofy poofy hat that takes up lots of space. Look at her face. Do you notice she feels kind of silly? Is she sticking out her tongue? That's silly. Can you do that? I'm shaking because let's look at the face before we read the word. What do you think he's feeling? Scared? You're right. Show your best scared face. That's what I look like when I'm scared. I'm shaking because I'm scared. All alone in the dark at night, the thunder and lightning crash and roar. Hold me close and turn on the light. I feel scared when there's a thunderstorm too. Thumbs up if you feel scared when there's a thunderstorm. The smile you see upon my face as the sun shines in the sky shows the world that I feel happy. And my mood is soaring high. Happy. Sometimes I feel so very sad. Show me your sad face. That's a good face. And really don't know why. Instead of playing and having fun, I cry and cry and cry. He does feel really sad, doesn't he? Sometimes I feel sad too. What's a time when you feel sad? Share that with me. Do you feel sad now because we're not by each other? I feel sad too. I miss you guys as well. We'll be back soon, and then we'll read lots of stories together. Oh my goodness, how does he feel? He looks mad. What's another word for mad? Oh, frustrated, you're right. Angry, that's a good one too. Angry is how I feel right now. I shout with a mighty roar. I mostly want to frown and growl and stomp upon the floor. I'm bouncing like a rubber ball. I'm more excited than I can say. It's really hard for me to sit when I'd rather jump and play. He feels excited. I bet you probably feel excited right now. Stay cozy, we're almost done. Proud, I did it, I shouted to the crowd. Getting dressed by myself makes me feel proud. Feelings come and feelings go. I never know what they'll be. Silly or angry, happy or sad, they're all a part of me. My challenge to you today, boys and girls, during Reader's Workshop at home is to find a book and look for the feelings inside the story that you read. Send me a picture of you reading your story, and on a page that you want to share with me, take a picture of it showing me the emotion you found. Tell me what emotion you found. Have your mom and dad help you post the picture, okay? I'll look forward to seeing all your responses. Remember, look for more emotions than just happy or sad. See if you can find someone being silly, angry, frustrated. Remember when we read Boss Baby? Maybe a little bossy? Look for those emotions, take a picture of you reading it, and share it with me, okay? See you later.